Hello and welcome my friends. In this simple video I will show you how you can buy a domain from Namecheap. Okay, in the first, Namecheap is one of the most popular companies around the world to buy a domain. Okay, and for me it is the best hosting you can buy domain from it, and also have an excellent hosting services. But in this video today we will talking about buy a domain only from Namecheap. Okay, let's go. First, you will find a link in the description under below this video. This link will send you directly for Namecheap in the page which is you can buy domain from it. Okay, here type your domain which is you looking for. For example, if I looking for domain name like world news, okay, and click on search and see what I will find. As you can see, world news dot world, this is an expensive domain. I can get it by 1,099.88. Okay, and this domain is already available. As you can see, these domains which is mean registered or already taken, not available now. Okay, and these are domains which is available. Okay, and the price of domains are different here. As you can see, .io, not like .inc. When your domain be important, it's already will be more expensive. Okay, as you can see, this domain is very good and have an excellent discount, and only for about $3 per year. Okay, and this is also very good. This domain is so expensive, so you can choose the best domain for you according to your budget and your project. Okay, for me, I see this domain is very good for me. I will try to buy it. As you can see, we have an excellent discount for Namecheap. We have great discounts for first year in the most of domains. As you can see, the first year $3 only, and on retail will be about 22 per year. So which is mean we now have a great discount for the first year. Okay, I will click on add to cart. Okay, here are options. For a business email, we can get a free trial for it. For SSL, we can buy it by $3 in a year. I see it so cheap, not expensive. We can buy hosting also from Namecheap. We can buy WordPress hosting, and these are options and additional options you can buy it. Okay, if you only need your domain, you will click on checkout. This is our domain, have an excellent discount like all domains in Namecheap in the first year. This is the most good thing in Namecheap, and this is some fee. It's some cents, no problem. And domain privacy, we got it free forever, and this is an excellent service from Namecheap, as you can see, and here are also some of additional services if you like it. Okay, if you like premium DNS also. Okay, and click on confirm order. If you have an already account in Namecheap, you can type it here. If this is the first time for you, you can create a new account. Okay, I will type my information now and back to you again. Okay, here complete your information. Okay, we now on setup page. Continue. We now in billing page. Type the way you will pay by it, credit card or PayPal. And after this, when you click on continue, you will redirect on complete your order and done, and you will buy your domain. For transfer domain or the steps after buying domain, I will publish it in another video later. Okay, this was our today video. You will find the link of Namecheap domain in the description under below this video. I hope this video was useful for you. If this video was useful for you, please support us with click like on the video and subscribe on our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in another video.